day to all. There was such a problem with the GIS 1125 tuner. When the tuner is connected to the network, the red indicator is on, and when the power button is pressed, there is no reaction. The red indicator is constantly on. The green indicator does not appear. We start disassembling the tuner. Take a small screwdriver and unscrew the screws on the case. Case cover and I see a lot of dust. It needs to be removed. We take an ordinary brush for paint or a shaving brush. For shaving, we sweep away the dust. A lot of dust has accumulated. It has not been cleaned here for 6 years. I decided to check the tuner, plug the plug into the network. I watched the tuner load and it worked. These are the miracles that ordinary dusting does. I examined all the details. The air conditioners are not blown off, the seal on the board is normal. But from dust, the seals did not contact well. Periodically, once a year, I advise you to open the tuner case and clean the dust. We look at how the channels are switched. Everything works fine. The conclusion is sometimes quite simple cleaning and the tuner will serve you further.